What if I told you that you could start a real income-generating business this week with $0, zero experience, and nothing but a laptop and a free AI account? Not a side hustle, not a get-rich-quick scheme, a legitimate business that people are running right now and scaling to 4 and 5 figures a month. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact blueprint, step by step, so that by the time this video ends, you have everything you need to start today. Let's start with the business model, because understanding why this works is just as important as knowing how to do it. The business is AI-powered freelance content services. Here's the core idea. Businesses, every business, from the local dentist to the e-commerce brand to the real estate agent, need content. Blog posts, email newsletters, social media captions, product descriptions, ad copy. Most of them don't have the time or the talent to produce it consistently, so they pay people to do it for them. What's changed is that AI now lets one person produce the volume of content that used to require a team. You use Claude or ChatGPT to generate a first draft in seconds. You refine it, you deliver it. The client gets professional content. You get paid. The AI does 80% of the work. You do 20%, and you charge 100% of the market rate. Step 1, pick your niche. This is the most important decision you'll make, and most people get it wrong. They try to offer content writing to everyone and end up standing out to no one. The smarter move is to pick one industry and become the go-to content person for that industry. Why? Because businesses pay significantly more for someone who understands their world than for a generic writer. The best niches for AI content right now are real estate, personal finance, health and wellness, e-commerce, and SaaS companies. These industries are content hungry, have money to spend, and are actively looking for help. Pick one that you find genuinely interesting, because you'll be writing about it every day. If you've been watching Intelliwealth, finance and AI content is an obvious fit. You already know the language. You already understand the audience. Step 2, set up your offer in one afternoon. You don't need a website. You don't need a logo. You don't need a business registration. You need 3 things. First, a simple portfolio. Use Google Docs or Notion to create 3 sample pieces of content in your chosen niche. Write them using Claude. Polish them, make them look professional. These are your proof of ability, and clients will ask to see them. Second, a clear offer. Don't say, I write content. Say, I write weekly email newsletters for real estate agents that keep them top of mind with past clients. Specific, tangible, clearly valuable. Third, a price. Start at $200 to $300 per month for a basic package. Say 4 social media posts and 1 blog post per week. This is low enough that clients say yes immediately, and high enough that landing 3 clients puts you at $600 to $900 a month. Step 3, get your first client this week. This is where most people stall. They spend weeks perfecting their portfolio and never actually talk to anyone. Don't do that. Here's the fastest way to get your first paying client. Go to Google and search for businesses in your niche that have a social media presence, but post inconsistently. Irregular posting, generic captions, no engagement. These are businesses that need you and don't know it yet. Send them a direct message or email. Keep it short. Say something like, I noticed your social media hasn't been updated in a while. I help real estate agents stay consistently visible online using AI-powered content. I'd love to send you 3 free sample posts this week. No obligation. Free samples remove all the risk for the client, and once they see quality content with their name on it, most of them ask what it would cost to keep it going. Send 20 of these messages in one day. If even 2 people respond, and they will, you have the start of a business. Step 4, deliver and scale using AI. Once you have a client, your workflow looks like this. You spend 30 minutes at the start of each week prompting Claude with your client's niche, tone, recent topics, and target audience. You generate a week's worth of content in one session. You review and refine it, which takes another 30 minutes. You send it to the client. Done. That's roughly 1 hour of work per client per week. At $250 a month per client, that's about $60 an hour. more than most entry-level jobs. And unlike a job, you can take on more clients without adding proportionally more hours. 5 clients at $250 a month is $1,250 a month. 10 clients is $2,500, all from free AI tools in your laptop. Step 5, the tools you need and what they cost. Claude AI, free. This is your primary writing engine. The free tier is more than enough to start. Google Docs, free. Write, format, and share your content with clients. Canva, free. Create simple social media graphics to accompany your written content. Clients love getting graphics alongside the copy. Notion, free. Organize your clients, track deliverables, and store your prompt templates so you can replicate your workflow across every client. A professional email address through Google Workspace, $6 a month. This is the only thing worth paying for early on. Your name at yourbusiness.com is the difference between looking like a freelancer and looking like a business. Total startup cost, $6 a month. Man, here's what the first 30 days can look like if you take this seriously. Week 1, pick your niche, build 3 sample pieces, write 20 outreach messages. Week 2, follow up on outreach, land your first discovery call, close your first client. Week 3, deliver your first week of content, ask for feedback, refine your workflow. Week 4, send another round of outreach, land client 2 or 3, start building your monthly recurring revenue. By the end of month 1, you could realistically be generating $500 to $1,000 a month. By month 3, and with 10 clients, you're looking at $2,500 a month or more. From a business that costs $6 a month to run, the tools are free. The opportunity is real. The only thing standing between you and your first client is sending that first message. Most people will watch this video, think that's a great idea, and do nothing. Don't be that person. Pick your niche today. Write your 3 samples today. Send your first 5 outreach messages today. The hardest part of any business is starting. Everything after that is just showing up. If this gave you a clear path forward, subscribe to Intelliwealth. Every video is designed to give you one more tool to build real financial intelligence. Next video, I'm breaking down ChatGPT versus Claude versus Gemini, which AI actually makes you more money, and which ones are completely overhyped for real-world use. That one is going to settle a lot of debates. Drop a comment below. What niche are you going to target with this? I read every single one. See you in the next one.